So the product of powers property states to multiply two powers with the same base, I have to add the exponents. So in the box given above is the formula x to the power n times x to the power m is equal to x to the power n plus m when x is not equal to 0. So below is given an example problem. 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2 because we're adding the exponents because we have the same base. 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 32. Now to check this, I simplify 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2. To check my answer, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 8 times 4 is 32, and that matches my answer above. So for this example, we're going to use the same formula, x to the power n times x to the power of m equals to x to the power n plus m. So I'm going to have the base 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 because we're going to add the exponents. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so our answer is now 3 to the power of 5. So now I'm going to find what 3 to the power of 5 is, which is equal to 243. And now what we can do to check our answer is we're going to simplify 3 to the power of 2 to its original number. Like simplify 3 to the power of 2, simplify 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, and 9 times 27 is equal to 9 times 27 is equal to 243. As you can see, both the answers match, so the answer is correct. So the power of a quotient property states to find a power of a quotient, find the power of each part of the quotient, and then divide by canceling out the common factors. So here is the formula: x by y in brackets to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n and divided by y to the power of n. Because again, we have to find the power of each part of the quotient. And this is only true when x and y is not equal to 0. So I am going to take the example of 2 to the power of 3 to the power 2 by 3 brackets to the power of 2. So now I'm going to put each part to the power. So 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 to the power of 9. 4 by 9, because 3 to the power of 2 is 9, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Now to recheck my answer, 2 to the power of 3 is the same thing as multiplying it 2 times by itself. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 times 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 9. So this is how we know our answer is correct. Another example of this question is 4 by 9 to the power of 2. So now I'm going to multiply 4 to the power of 2 divided by 9 to the power of 2. So 4 to the power of 2 is 16, 9 to the power of 2 is 81. So now 4 by 9 in brackets to the power of 2 is the same thing as multiplying 4 by 9 by itself again. So 4 by 9 times 4 by 9, multiply the numerators, 4 times 4 is 16, multiply the denominators, 9 times 9, 81, and we get the same answer, and this is how we know our answer is correct.